I'm so early. It's supposed to start at 9:30. So, yes, USA. This is London. Canary Wharf. Thanks. It's the other way. So we're here. This is just next door. We just want to sell many properties, bring a lot of money to this company, millions and millions and millions of pounds to this company, and go from strength to strength, strengthen our boss, Noah, give him the vision that he has and strengthen him. And we thank him for what he has created, and we want to help him build more and more prosperity. So yeah, let's go. Share.